I could use a nap right now. Hey, what's up, y'all? It's me, Jenny here. So today is Monday, but this video is not gonna go up on Monday. It'll probably go up on a Wednesday or Friday. I don't know. I'll see how I feel when it comes to editing it. I just wanted to put on my makeup and just talk to you guys really about nothing special. I just wanted to talk. Anyways, so Ender has gone to work. Kyler is sleeping. My face is already primed. By the way, I'm not gonna be using like anything special for the products. Like, you guys have seen it all. I'm just going to my mom's place today, so it won't be anything glamorous. I'm just gonna keep filming videos until Kyler wakes up, and then I'll stop. Anyways, if you want to know what I'm wearing, as I put things on, I will tell you what I'm putting on my face. So right now I am putting on my NC30, no, that's not right, my MAC Face and Body Foundation in C3, and I wanted to try this de-bronzy anti-pollution sunshine drops, and you can mix it in with your foundation. It's supposed to be a bronzer. I actually used it last summer and I don't remember what I thought about it, which is why I brought it out again. And I feel like I'm losing my tan from my vacation, and I don't want to lose my tan, even though you're supposed to lose your tan, because there is absolutely no sun here in Canada. Like, none. Oh, and by the way, if you see me squinting, it's because I'm not wearing my glasses and the mirror is like here, and I have really bad eyesight, so I'm very blurry. So either I will squint or bring the mirror up to me. I feel really down today, and by any means, like, it's not bad. I think I'm just trying to figure out my feelings. So today is, what is today? January. It's the day after the Grammys. It's that Monday, okay? That's the day. Anyways, me coming from a large basketball family, you know, and I'm pretty sure you guys will know this by now, but there was a death of a very famous basketball player and his daughter in a helicopter crash, and I just can't stop thinking about the family. Like, everyone that is involved in the tragedy, and you know, they have to deal with all that stuff publicly, which is not fair. And like, I keep thinking about the wife, you know. Not only does she have to deal with now a death of a husband, but she has to deal with the death of a daughter. And I just feel for them. I don't know what it's like to lose a daughter. I don't know what it's like to lose a child. But I do know what it's like to lose someone very young. You know, the same age as the celebrity that passed. And I didn't know the celebrity, which is why I can't figure out why I'm so down. I think I feel more for the mother and the wife. You know what? This bronzer did a pretty good job. It gave me like a little bronze glow. And I have hair from my brush all over my face. Great. I normally actually would put on concealer, but I don't know. I think I just don't feel like it today. So I won't. I'm gonna set my face with my setting powder. I will link a card right here, I believe, to let you know how I make my own setting powder. Time to turn the energy up. I have been obsessed with the show The Circle on Netflix, and I think I mentioned it in one of my videos. But let me tell you why I am obsessed, like obsessed with the show. Because the contestants who play the game, they are in isolation for the time they are in the game. So could you imagine, like, the psychology behind that. Like, I am totally into human behavior, and to be in isolation, to be in the same condo unit for a very long time for $100,000, because that's the prize, and you can't do anything. Like, I think you can like have a coloring book, you can like play with a toy car. There's not much you can do because you gotta play the game, and you have to wait for people to message you. And it's like almost exciting when you get a message, because it's like, oh my god, something to do, right? And at first I didn't quite understand why when these people got a message, or you know, when there was something to do, like they got like really excited. And I realized, oh my god, you must be so bored. For 24 hours a day, you are doing absolutely nothing. So yes, I know I'm putting powder around my eyes as if there's concealer, and I know there's no concealer. I don't want the foundation to crease like in my eyelid, or I have like little lines down here, fine lines, and so that'll prevent from creasing at least for a few hours. Yeah, anyways, back to The Circle. I'm obsessed. I'm so obsessed. So if you have not seen The Circle on Netflix, it's like this reality TV show where you're basically in isolation and you have to try to win the game, and the prize is $100,000. It's like a social media game. You know, it's like people get to vote who is the most popular within the circle, but you have never met these people before, and they all live in the same building, but you're not allowed to meet them. So you have no idea if you're having a conversation with someone who's real or with someone who's a catfish. Like, I think the psychology behind it is unreal, and I think, like, I'm not into reality TV, but I'm like so into this TV show. I forgot my eyebrow powder in my vanity, but that's okay. I will see what I have in my makeup bag that I have down here, because let's put it out there, I'm too lazy to get up and go get it. I have no idea if my eyebrows are even, but this is the best that I can do, and this is really all the energy I have to put into it. I woke up in the middle of the night last night at 2 a.m. and I was starving. Okay, I did eat before I went to bed, so I have no idea why I woke up hungry, but I was hungry. Like, I was so hungry to the point where I couldn't go back to sleep. So at 2 a.m. I had a piece of pizza. Where's my eyeliner? So I ate my piece of pizza, a really big piece of pizza, at 2 a.m. Then I was awake. So have you guys ever had that? Like, oh gosh, I'm not wearing my glasses and the mirror's down there. Hold that thought. I will be back and put on my eyeliner. And I used MAC Technical Liner in Photogravure. It's just a brown eyeliner. Anyways, back to what I was saying, is that I had my piece of pizza at 2 a.m. and then I was awake. Like, have you ever had that? You've been awake for so long and you can't go back to sleep, where then you were just up? So at 2 a.m. I was up. And what I did, and I know I shouldn't have done this, but I did it anyway. I didn't try to go back. Like, I tried, but I didn't try really hard. I went onto the internet and I started browsing. And it wasn't anything bad. Like, I wasn't on social media or anything. I decided to browse for books. So I have been on this huge reading binge. Like, all I want to do is read or do like puzzles, but anything book related. Like, I want my face in a book when I can. I just felt like researching for more books that I could possibly purchase in the future. And then one thing led to another, and thank goodness my credit card information wasn't close to me. Otherwise, I would have bought like at least $100 worth of books. Mind you, I was on bookoutlet.ca, and these books are like $5.90. So could you imagine if I bought $100 worth of books, how many books I would have? And if I wasn't so damn lazy, I probably would have ordered all these books. But my credit card was in the other room, so I didn't order these books. And I'm starting to think that was a good idea. I am using the Wonder Beauty mascara in Unlashed. I did do a review on this a long time ago, or at least a few months ago, and my review on it hasn't changed. It's still a good mascara, but it does take so many coats to get like the desired thickness that I want. But it's still a good mascara though. Now I'm just putting on, let's use this blush. This blush is Desert Rose from MAC. I am now putting on my beloved NYX bronzer in medium. You guys, I have been using this bronzer. Like, this has been my holy grail bronzer forever. Like, even before I got married. But I've only been married for a year and a half. But before that, even before I moved into this place that I'm living in now, and I can't seem to find a bronzer to replace it. I have tried many bronzers, and of those of you who watched my Sephora haul, I purchased bronzers because I'm addicted to bronzer, but yet I keep going back to this one, this beautiful drugstore bronzer. I just think like this bronzer, this is like the same color as my bronzed skin when I'm actually bronzed, like when I'm actually tanned. You know how like certain skin tones turn different colors when they tan? This is like the actual color of when I tan. So I think I should stop buying bronzers because I just keep going back to the same one. It'll save me a lot of money too. I'm lining my lips with 24/7 Glide On Lip Pencil and Blackmail. I'm just going to do a light line. I love these pencils. They're so creamy, and when they set, they don't move. And I'm going to use my Holy Grail Clinique Super Balm Moisturizing Lip Gloss in Black Honey. I love this lip gloss. And all of you are wondering, why are you using lip gloss with lip liner? Because I like my lips defined. I like my lips to have a really defined edge, and if I just use lip gloss alone, it doesn't give me that. And I like this lip gloss because it's actually moisturizing too. My lips are dry, it's winter, it's Canada. Lipstick, I feel, just won't cut it for me. And I want to say I am done. So thank you very much for listening to me talk about random stuff as I get ready to go to my mom's. Anyways, I will end it here, so please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe all down below, or you can catch me on all my social media, which is right here. That's at Kiss Jennie. That's spelled kiss.jennie, Jennie with an IE. Or if you want to subscribe to my channel, click on my face here, or if you want to watch me on my last video, click right here. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and I will see you on my next video. Bye-bye.